Yeah.
Well, not for you, maybe. But
No, yes.
That's a simple.
Hold y'all.
This, y'all. So, y'all, what's good, BNT? Right for y'all? My sister got me a puppy.
Yes. So look, y'all. I surprised my sisters with new dogs. You know what I'm saying?
What's yours name?
This is Imani.
And this Echo.
Her name is Imani Dior.
Hi, baby.
Imani.
Echo Safari.
That's Echo Chevelle.
Safari.
Oh.
She acts just like
Echo
me.
Y'all need a close up look at my baby.
Oh, you got him. Shook. Her baby scary.
No,
What's
him
yours
not.
up to here?
But her, this is my boo. Look it.
Sis, I really appreciate you. Give me a kiss.
No, stop, sis.
I love you.
I love you too.
She need a
Thank
haircut,
you.
y'all. She need her toes clipped.
I'm gonna get you one so you can have one like us.
No, it's alright. I just bought them for y'all so y'all can be super duper excited. Y'all love them?
I love them. I appreciate you,
love
sis.
her.
No problem.
Real nigga.
But you know you wrong for what the fuck
I
you did.
yeah, you
It's
really try
alright.
to, bro, y'all.
Don't worry about it. Let's just.
Yeah, y'all go, bro.
Yes.
That is not funny.
Y'all look at him.
I don't even want you to touch her.
I let them spend the day.
Y'all take a picture.
Take thumbnails. Pete, turn your dog around.
He is perfect. Come here.
We the same. Look at her.
But yeah. So how y'all really feeling about this?
I love him.
I really like her.
Come here, give me a hug, boo boo.
And she's so calm.
Dang.
She feisty when she needs to be. So just like me, she's calm as hell. But she
Let me hold her
feisty
up.
when
Let me
she
hold
needs
her.
to be.
Can I tell you
You
about
hold
him? You can't hold mine.
No.
No.
You can.
But y'all,
her up
let me
something.
tell y'all about him. He a little scary. He be a little shaky, but him lovable and him like to cuddle. And
His teeth white. They be.
yeah, his teeth white. And he eat good. He don't miss no
She
meals.
like to be
What kind
just
of
like
dogs
me.
is they, y'all?
You know what's
Yorkies.
These are Yorkies. But you know what's crazy? She like to be held like a baby. Like she don't like when I hold her.
He like to be like, yeah, he like this too, like
just
this.
like
That's
this.
so cute.
Yeah, it is.
Y'all excited?
Yeah.
That's her like
Y'all
it.
didn't think I was gonna do this, huh?
That's nice.
It's
I
so
appreciate
rare.
you, sis.
It's so
For
rare.
real.
Dogs love to be loved.
What made you
too.
do, like? Did you know like
Did you know that?
they wanted matching dogs or?
No, I just like noticed both of y'all love dogs, and I'm scared of them. So
No, dogs are like
I'm surprised you even
Everybody-
carried them out.
everybody need a dog in their life.
yeah.
You did that because you love us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
She love us.
I'm
She
sorry.
got us
Echo,
free.
yellow.
She got
Yeah.
Run that back.
But yeah, I no. The real reason is y'all both doing good, really good. And I'm really proud of y'all. Taki, you can
Thank
stop
you.
braiding his
Sis.
hair.
You know, this is what I want. No, I'm
Stop
not gonna,
calling
this
her
is
dog
not
a her. I mean a his. It's a her.
You can comb her
No,
hair.
I'm gonna comb her hair. Like I
Put-
think I
give her
want.
bows.
I want her. I want to have her.
Hi, Wookie Woo.
I'm gonna put her 2 bows on her ears, right? And then I like the fact that she
You
got
don't
this
like
right
Echo?
here.
You ain't said nothing
So
to Echo yet.
it could look like the bob. I mean, a bang right there.
It bit me.
No, he didn't.
And I gotta buy her hella clothes and stuff.
Taki,
Yeah,
you don't
Echo,
have to buy the dog
ooh.
clothes.
Yes.
Echo.
She needs a.
Look at his little feet. Ah, you scared.
She
Echo.
gonna be sassy.
I'm sorry,
She need some outfit. I gotta carry you on her bag, like you know,
You
on
gotta
white
buy
chicks.
all of that, sis.
You know how them girls on white
Yeah,
chicks, how
this
they
about
had
to
them in the
end.
bag. I gotta do it just like
Yeah.
that.
But still, at the same token, I don't know.
Hey,
Are you guys done?
done
You guys
what?
have fun?
Yeah, they have fun.
Yes.
Alright.
They have fun.
Time to
Hey.
give my dogs.
Huh?
Time to give.
But yeah, I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it back.
Okay, hold on.
What do you mean?
Just give her back her dogs.
These ain't her shoes, but
Girl, you just bought these for us.
we got these for us.
Baby.
You brought her for us.
Can I have my dogs back?
Do you want? What's the? What the,
Nikki, tell her.
what
Did
the
you
hell
buy
is this
them
lady
from her?
talking about?
I
What
called
you
her.
mean? Stop doing
I
that.
asked her, can I use them for y'all?
Why are you
You
playing
told us
like
they was
that?
Just give the lady her dogs back.
Down
No.
with the dogs.
I'm
and
sorry, man. We finna figure it out. We finna
everything.
figure
was gonna buy
everything
the
out.
cl-
No, for real, y'all. These they dogs.
Nikki, you got me. No.
Relax.
So messed up.
Takia, stop doing. Takia, stop and give her dog. Go out, get out and just. It's professional if you want to get out and give it to her. Y'all have to get this lady her dog back, and y'all just sitting there
What's
holding it.
professional is if she go to her or not.
What, Takia?
Don't do that.
Period.
Get out and get the lady her dog back.
Look at her. She don't want to go to nobody.
Takia.
Here, man. Here.
God.
No, P. P for real. I mean, Takia, your phone finna fall.
Okay.
Just get the dogs back.
I am.
Don't make it so. Don't do it too hard. Takia and P. I'm so sorry. They gonna go. Takia and P. You letting us use your dogs, and they really, really beautiful. Hopefully one day I get y'all a dog. All right. There y'all have it. Y'all smash that like button, comment down below, hit the post notification bell so you can know whenever the prank queen posts. You dig? Treat it like what?
She hurting you and she not.
She is. Here.
Why would you throw my dog? I just got the dog. You stupid. Go get the dog. Why did you throw my dog? What is wrong with you?
Takia, you can't go over there.
Why you throw my dog? Look at me. Vicky, why would you throw the dog?
It kept biting me.
Them little... Right here.
It kept biting me.
Vicky.
It kept biting me. The dog just kept biting me.
That little bite though.
It just kept biting me.
Why would you fucking throw my dog, bitch?
Stop. Stop.
Why you throw my
Stop. Stop touching me. Takia.
Why you throw? How you gonna bite me a dog and then
Takia.
throw it?
Stop.
Then throw it.
Stop.
Why you recording? For real.
P. I'm sorry. The dog kept biting me.
It's not gonna hurt, so why would you throw it over the balcony? You wanna go to jail? You might throw my dog next, man.
Let me just hold it. It wasn't. It was biting me.
You going to jail, bitch? You wanna kill dogs? I got something for you. Live? No. Why would you do that?
Let me show you.
No.
Now P got a dog and you don't, Takia. I didn't mean that. I swear to God, I'm sorry. Let's just go back home and I'm gonna try to find you another dog. I'm gonna try to find. I'm gonna try to find you another one.
How she gonna buy me a dog? She let me fall in love with it. I'm about to go.
Takia, no, get down. Takia, you can't go over there.
Why? She fucking.
Takia, stop touching me.
No, don't fucking run away from me. Don't run away from me. Don't run away from me.
Takia, stop.
Why you take my...
Takia, stop touching me. Stop
Why did
touching
you
me.
do that?
Stop touching
That is
me.
not
The
funny.
dog kept biting me.
You're a murderer. She's going to jail. She gonna get her. You're a murderer.
And P, shut up. I'm not going to jail.
Move. You fucking killed my dog. You're a murderer.
I'm not a murderer. The dog kept biting me.
Y'all see my dog?
Ask
Y'all
him.
see my fucking dog? This black bitch.
No, you seen our dog, bro?
You think you can
It
get
accidentally.
No, I ain't getting that dog.
It accidentally fell.
saw her throw it in?
That motherfucker was going down the current.
No, it accidentally fell in there.
No, you threw it in there.
It fell in
You buy
there.
me a gift and they were like, fucking do not fucking, and you just murdered it.
If I didn't murder it, it jumped
Front
out
of
my
face.
arms.
You threw it because you
He-
said it was biting you.
All right, come on. Let's just try to get another one.
Doggy killer bitch.
Let's just try to go get another one. Pete, let me hold yours.
I don't want nothing from you. Because you're, I don't even like you. She murdered dogs. Don't go over there. Don't go back.
What's she telling you? You telling her not to come over here?
Yes, because you're going to kill it.
Come on, we finna go get you another one, Takia.
Leave me
That's
alone.
how easy it is. You just go get a new
Just
dog.
go get a
You
new
just
dog
throw
after
dogs
you
in
just
the
throw
water
one
every
up the
day.
balcony.
You do this. This is
He could have saved it if anything.
It's not my fault.
Did you hear
It's
it?
crying.
Nobody gonna jump in there and get that motherfucker.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe the dog jumped in the water.
Fucking, that dog did not jump in the water. You threw it down there because you talking about this biting.
You know them bites do not hurt. Why would you do that?
Why would you
Don't
do
touch
that?
my dog.
Don't touch her dog. It's a brand new dog. How could stop? Why you keep recording me?
I'm not. It's not
And why is it that?
It's
It is
not
fun?
on.
Is it fun? Well, you
No.
think you can just throw a dog
You're a
off of
murderer.
a bridge?
You're a murderer.
A fucking dog off of a bridge that you give. Stop! That you give to me,
laughing.
and you laughing.